students, welcome to Plus 1 Political Science class. Today, I will continue lesson 5, Regional Cooperation, ASEAN and European Union. The objectives of the lesson are meaning of regional organization, ASEAN aims and objectives, ASEAN Regional Forum, European Union, its structure, Maastricht Treaty and European Union. Factors which have been helpful in securing the integration of European countries. And the objectives of the day are the Maastricht Treaty, main provisions, progress of European Union, issue of European Union Constitution, factors which have been helpful in securing the integration of European countries. Students, it covers your pages from 76 to 82. Before discussion of these objectives, I would like to discuss the key terms with you. The first key term is European Economic Community. The European Economic Community was an economic association formed by 6 European member states with the Treaty of Rome in 1957, replaced by European Union in 1993. The original 6 members were Belgium, France, Italy, Luxembourg, the Netherlands and West Germany. The European Monetary Union. The Economic and Monetary Union is an umbrella term for the group of policies aimed at converging the economies of member states of the European Union. Launched in 1992, it helps to reduce the transaction cost in integrated regional market. Political union. A political union is a type of state which is composed of smaller states. Some of these organizations were inspired to some extent by the European Union. Marshall Plan. The Marshall Plan, also known as the European Recovery Program, was a US program providing aid to Western Europe for following devastations of the Second World War. In addition to economic development, one of the stated goals of the Marshall Plan was to halt the spread of communism in the European continent. Students, today I am going to discuss the topic Maastricht Treaty and European Union. For your information, I would like to tell you that the Maastricht Treaty was a treaty signed on 7 February 1992 by the members of the European communities in Maastricht, Netherlands, for further European integration. On 9th to 10th December 1991, the same city hosted the European Council which drafted the treaty. The treaty came into effect from 1st November 1993. The European Community leaders signed the historic political and monetary union treaty at Maastricht, which constituted a blueprint for uniting all the people of European countries into a single economic, political and military bloc capable of stronger and unified voice in international relations. Now, the provisions of the Maastricht Treaty are the monetary union. The European Community created the European Monetary Institute, that is EMI, by January 1994. The EMI would be the precursor of a central bank to be in place by 1999 at the latest, which could issue a single European Community currency. As decided, the common European currency Euro was duly adopted and it has been in circulation. Most recently, Latvia joined the European Union in 2004 and adopted the Euro on 1st January 2014. In political structure of the European Union, there are 3 political institutions which hold the executive, and the legislative power of the Union. The Council of the European Union represents governments, the Parliament represents the citizens, and the Commission represents the European interest. Now I will tell you about the Maastricht Treaty Political Union. The European Community would form and follow common foreign and security policies. All decisions would be made by consensus. Defense issues were to be referred to the Western European Union, that is WEU. In 1996, the European Community members reviewed political cooperation and decided to transform the Western European Union into the defense arm of the European Community and created common policy. The next is new areas of cooperation and policy making. The European Community could extend its influence to such areas as education, public health, culture, consumer protection, industry, research and development, environment, social affairs, and development cooperation. The European Community could make decisions only if these were more effective than the decisions of any single European Community member country. The next is European Parliament and the Executive Commission. The European Parliament, that is the Assembly of the European Community, consists of 518 members. It is consulted on the appointment of the European Community Executive Commission. It holds limited jurisdiction over internal trade, environment, education, health and consumer protection. Next is citizenship of European Community. The nationals of European Community have the right to vote and run in local elections if they reside in a European Community state other than their own. After 1993, the European Community nationals received diplomatic assistance from a European Community embassy outside the European Community. The Maastricht Treaty was designed to secure a further political and monetary integration of Europe for making it inevitable. Single currency, single banking, monetary and political union, common citizenship of European Community were all designed to make the European Union a United States of Europe capable of acting as a unit in international relations. The European Community came to be known as European Union after this treaty. The European Union has been currently heading for a greater political and economic integration of the people of all member countries. The next is progress of European Union. In recent summit, European Union accepted the need for a modest set of revisions to the European Union Constitution. However, there came to be a disagreement over the issue of reweighing of the votes in the European Union policy, setting Council of Ministers for more accurately reflecting populations. The issue was critical for a bloc that was expected to double its size in the next 10 to 20 years. Decision making in most areas was by unanimous vote, a policy that could lead to paralysis if one country disagreed. Tackling that issue was put off until the expansion of the European Union by its new members. Besides the issue of voting, the biggest issue was coordination of defense policies. The European Union leaders failed to agree on how to cooperate with the Western European Union, that is WEU. Plans to open up the European Union's internal borders and to allow the free movement of the citizens were watered down by Germany. while the Commission and European Parliament were to gain the right to make proposals on immigration and asylum policy. Most decisions were to remain subject to unanimous vote by European Union government leaders. A radical reform of the European Union's common agriculture policy was also presented in the document, with drastic cuts of 10% in European Union guaranteed prices for milk and 20% for cereals. The European Union executive held that the European Union should live under the current ceiling of the member states' financing until 2006. Now the next is European Monetary Union. Responding to persistent demands from banks and financial markets for greater transparency about progress towards the proposed European Monetary Union, European Union leaders made a categorical assurance that the Union would definitely come into being in 1999. In 1999, the European Union successfully launched its common currency euro, and within a short span of 6 months, the new currency got recognition in the international financial market. Students, here I would like to inform you that the main benefits of the euro are related to increased trade. Travel was made easy by removing the need for exchanging money. You can use euro in 19 European Union countries. Total countries are 27, but euro is in use in 19 countries. Next is issue of European Union Constitution. In 2005, the European Parliament gave its approval to a common constitution of European Union. It called upon all members to ratify it. The constitution was designed to usher the members into the era of political integration. The constitution provided for the office of a foreign minister of European Union, who was to lead the process of implementing a common foreign policy of the European Union members. Further, the Constitution provided for a single rule book, which was to take the place of all the existing treaties which were governed the relations among the European Union members. This constitution was drafted by European Constitutional Convention, which was headed by former French President Mr. Giscard. In 2005, the exercise towards the ratification of the Constitution opened on a positive note with the approval by Spain and later by others. However, in mid-2005, France and Netherlands decided to go against the adoption of the Constitution. This in fact sealed the fate of the Constitution. The crucial areas, the reason for failure of the European Constitution are elaborated as the certain preliminary propositions. The next most important error is that they have not been made use of comparative experiences of constitution making of other federal unions. So these are the reasons. Though the rejection of the constitution gave a setback to the political integration of the European Union, the progress of economic integration for further development of the European Union continued to progress in a desired way. The European Union continues to act as a major integrated economic and social community of nations in a contemporary international relations. In the emerging world order, the European Union continues to play a very active and strong role. It is a major center of power in the world order of 21st century. Now I will tell you about the factors that are helpful in securing the integration of European Union. The integration of European states has been possible due to the existence of several helping factors and forces. Firstly, the heavy losses suffered by all the European states during the 6 years of the Second World War made the people realize the futility of narrow nationalism. Secondly, the huge need for putting in tremendous efforts for securing the socio-economic reconstruction of war-torn European economy also influenced them to accept and adopt integrated approach to economic development. Thirdly, the decline of Europe from a position of strength to a state of power vacuum made the European state realize the total futility of mutual competition, conflict and war. Students, you must remember that before Second World War, Europe was the epicenter of imperialism and it had colonies all over Asia and Africa, even some in Latin America. But after the Second World War, UN was established which favored the freedom of all the colonies. So there was decline of Europe from a position of strength to the state of power vacuum. So it favored the establishment of European Union. So they decided to revive the glory of Europe through mutually agreed beneficial policies. Fourthly, Western European countries wanted to keep Cold War between USA and USSR away from Western Europe through mutually agreed efforts. Fifthly, Western European states could check the growing influence of communism through getting integrated in a union. Here you must know who was spreading communism, that is USSR, and Western European Union was there to check the spread of communism. Finally, after the end of the Cold War and the disintegration of the USSR, they developed the need to check the US unipolarism. Students, you know, in 1991 there was disintegration of USSR and there was rise of US unipolarism, and it is a big issue of 21st century also. Now there is big responsibility of European Union to check this. Now I will talk about European Union and the contemporary era. Thus the challenging situation after the Second World War compelled the Western European states to get integrated to meet the challenges of post-war period. The European Union has completed more than 6 decades of its fruitful existence. Over the years, its membership has also increased, that is 27 members according to 2020. European Union is now an economically integrated community with a single currency and a common banking service system. It has been a great success story of regional cooperation for development, which other regional organizations can adopt as a role model. Students, now I will discuss the term Brexit with you. Brexit is an abbreviation for British exit, referring to the UK's decision to leave the European Union. For this, there was a referendum in United Kingdom. Now I will tell you that what is it. However, recently the European Union has been engaged in managing the problems that have come due to the Brexit, that is voluntary exit of Great Britain on January 31st, 2020. Earlier there were 28 members in European Union, but after Brexit now there are 27 members, and it is a controversial issue of European Union. Meanwhile, the issue of reforming and reconstructing the European Union is being debated by the member countries of this most successful and productive regional organization and a big center of power in the contemporary world order. Students, this finishes the discussion of my today's topic. It covers your pages from 76 to 82. Now I will tell you topic related questions. The short questions are: how was European Union Constitution fate sealed? How could European Union help European states to revive the ancient glory? How can European Union check US unipolarism? What is Brexit? And the long question is: briefly explain the factors which have been behind the success of the European Union. Students, you will watch the video again and do the snap homework questions. Next time I will discuss the next chapter. Till then, goodbye and thank you.